Very good morning, all. So this session is recording. So in case of any doubts, can you please come out of from mute and you can talk to me. So clarify your doubts. So myself, Rajesh, I'm from Hyderabad. I'm currently working in one of the top MNC company as a delivery service lead. So the complete this session approximately 45 minutes to 1 hour. Okay. So I'm going to take care of today introduction to cloud computing. I will clarify all the doubts in cloud computing. I'll try to clear it in next 1 hour. So these are the main topics we are going to discuss. Okay. The topic number one, introductions. So the introduction will give you a more encouragement, like and a more visibility of trainer and attendees. So what is your requirement so that I can understand with your introductions? And with my introduction, you guys can understand who am I, so where I'm coming from, and what is my background, and everything you can understand. And point number two, TCM. So TCM means traditional computing model. So when the computer was designed and developed, so till date, what are the phases we have crossed, and why we are in now cloud computing, and the particular benefits and disadvantages in previous technologies we will be understanding in the module number 2. And point number 3, what is the cloud computing, what are the service models, and what are the advantages are available, and how to deploy the cloud services in real-time environment, and what are the competition services in the market that we will discuss. And point number 4, introduction to Amazon Web Services. Why we are choosing Amazon Web Services? In market, there are many cloud services are there. Why we need to choose? So that we will get complete idea about that. And point number 5, who can learn? So because of everybody have a different individuality and different background. Okay, so all are not equal. So when it comes to the particular technology, either you can learn this course or maybe either eligible this course to learn. So that particular points we will discuss. And last point, why you choose me? Because of many trainers are in the market. Okay. So what's the difference between my training and others trainings? What are the benefits we are providing? What are the supports we are providing? That we will discuss. So I hope so I understand these 6 points will give you a better clarity. Okay. Once you're completing this next 45-minute session, you will be deciding whether you want to start this course or maybe you want to switch this course to some other course. You can have some idea. So that's why these are the points I have mentioned in this slide. Okay. So about me, I'm Rajesh. So I have total 16 plus years of experience in IT. I worked in different technologies and supporting also currently. And I'm specialized into Windows, server administration, VMware, virtualization technologies, Citrix virtualization technologies. I've been the market leader in the training and experienced person. Okay, if you are uh, visiting on YouTube, okay, and if you check that Citrix trainings, okay, so not only in India and outside of the India also, we will be in the first place in the first page of YouTube. Okay, so because of last 13 years, I'm here to teach and train. Okay, and helping our students. Most of the countries I have connected. Okay, so that is very closest associate with Citrix and VMware technologies. And in the year of 2014 ending, I moved to cloud, okay, because of necessity and everybody they start learning during the time 6 7 years ago. So then slowly I started learning Amazon Web Services and I moved to the project, and so slowly I have jumped into cloud with DevOps technology. So right now I'm working as a delivery service lead position to supporting the technology as well as the people management. Okay, so this is my experience in IT. And coming to my graduation, so my graduation is a BSc, Bachelor of Science. So my graduation is not in IT, information technology. I've been from science background, so it's a biology. The specialized into biotechnology. So maybe you can ask why you completed biotechnology, such a top branded biology subject, and you came to IT software background. Because of my interest is always computers. Okay, at the age of in my school, seventh or eighth studies. So I want to become a software engineer only. I don't have any other thoughts also. But I'm in poor in mathematics. So up to 10th class, I completed my mathematics and intermediate intermediate second year, and again engineering. So all again 4.5 years and 2 years, almost 6.5 years. It's very difficult to complete all my education with mathematics. So it's very difficult. So few of them in my family members and somebody outside people are suggested me. Not only BTech or BE people can settle in computer job field. Anybody can learn after the graduation. So that's a good suggestion I have taken from others, and I have taken by PC and I completed, and I went to UG undergraduation, BSc Biotechnology completed. During the time of completion of my graduation, I did so many computer courses in reputed institutions in Tirupati. So I went to Chennai, and again I have did some professional courses in software field in NIT. Now during the time the that brand name is GNIT, Global National Institute of Technology. That's a 2 years program. And one more institute, Sandsmount, I studied some course name called networking and server administration. But God grace, within 3 months of time, I have selected in campus placement. I joined in one of the reputed company name called Sun Networks. So everybody we are using Sun DTH, direct to home connections. So I'm the first person um, in the batch. I was joined in that team. So and we have delivered the services 2007 and 2008. During that time, we launched a new product called DTH in South Asia. During the time, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu, these four states, we released DTH channels through network. So the complete data center operations I worked. It's a very good experience. Later on, I moved to um, server administrations completely in Wipro. I worked for a couple of years in Wipro. Then I migrated to Microsoft as a cloud engineer. So the cloud means Office 365, Exchange, and Hyper-V technology. So then slowly I moved to VMware and Citrix, Amazon Web Services, DevOps. So this is my journey. Okay. So I started as a network operating center engineer, then I slowly moved into DevOps engineer, and now I'm a manager. So good career growth. When I joined in my first job 15 years ago, okay, my salary is 5,000 rupees per month. Slowly, 7,000, 12,000, 22,000, 40,000, slowly increasing. I'm privilegedly, I'm taking an opportunity. My per month salary, some XYZ, my hour salary will be with this technology nearly 1,800 rupees. That's really, really great. Okay. So that's very good achievement in my life. So I settled in Hyderabad. I have started another a firm for Saudi Arabia software projects. Okay, I have a own startup company. So we are deploying employees to the clients in abroad, in France and Saudi, Dubai locations. Okay, so I have another wing. So that will be a supporting for people for contract jobs. Okay, that's for 1 year, 1.5 year, 2 years. That kind of jobs will be there. I'll be handling some freelancing projects from abroad to setting up the data centers, our configurations like that. Those type of projects also I'm handling. We have some good previous students are good relationship. We are handling the projects. Okay, so this is about me. And coming to the certifications, I did many certifications, nearly 15 plus. But most privileged certifications are Six Sigma. It's kind of green belt certification. It's a project management level, process improvement, and cost saving for the account. So that's why companies awarded me as a Six Sigma certification. Most of the people you know about it. And coming to the Amazon Web Services wise, Solution Architect Associate and a Solution Architect Professional, and those certifications are completed. And VMware and VMware Certified Professional CCSP. I'm the one of the person, very few people in India, CCSP certification engineers, Citrix Certified Sales Professional. So that means the product selling for to the company and working as a mediator between the client and service provider. So working as an advisor for a Citrix organization. So I completed the certification also. So that's what me in the certification level. I don't have any other much interest in games and all. Learning new technologies and the training. So this is about me. I think very long introduction. I don't take more time. So let's move on to the next slide. Give me about your experience, like any technology you are currently working, and what is your graduation? Okay, any certifications you completed? Okay, and what is your requirement in this training? Okay, so you came here, you have some purpose, right? You're not simply you're coming, right? So Saturday, Sunday is a very precious day for you. So why you came here? What is your expectation? So whether I can satisfy your requirement or not, I can give you a clarity. Okay. So let me stop the recording. Okay, and you can give me your introduction. Just give me a minute.
Thank you all.
So thank you all for giving a nice introduction. Okay. So almost the time is 10:30. So we'll start the session. Okay. So guys, I understand most of the people are experienced people today, and one or two few people are maybe. I think they will be coming from different IT background. Okay, but I'll consider everybody as a fresher. Okay, so that I'll comfortably can sit here and I can teach each and every concept from the scratch to top level. Understand? Everybody can accept at this. I'll be treated everybody as
Yes.
a fresher. You don't know anything about computer. I'll be taking care of each and every concept very clearly from the scratch level. Okay. So if already experienced people, you can just brush up yourself. And if they don't know, you please learn from the scratch. Okay. That is the main funda we are going to take care of it. So guys, normally everybody we are using computer. At least a desktop, laptop we are using. Okay. So this particular computer was started in the first generation when Charles Babbage was invented. Till date, the structure is same, never changes. Maybe size is different. Okay, So maybe in the generation one computers, the computers are completely occupying in a single room. Okay. For calculation purpose, addition is one room, one computer. Multiplication, one computer in one room. Different level of computers they'll be using for different operations. Okay. But now, but now we are carrying our system in a pocket. You know, right? Even pen size computers also available. Pen size computers also available. So from the generation one computer to till now, the computer architecture never changes. So the architecture is three layers. One is a hardware, second layer is operating system, and third one is a application layer. Application layer. So just you can see this, okay? Just you can see this, you can easily understand. And what are the layers are there, what are the responsibility they're bearing. So first hardware. So maybe you can use a desktop or laptop or maybe tower computer or maybe rack server or maybe blade server. So these are the models of the computers. Okay, but few folks we don't have an experience on tower server and rack servers and blade server. I'll show you. Okay. So guys, you know desktop, right? There's a separate CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse, everything is there. So that you know very well. Laptop also you know very well. So what is meaning of tower server? So I'll show you mostly somewhere else in your office, maybe some other areas you can find out it. More drop చేయమని చెప్పు. If you go to Google, type tower server. It's just like your desktop. It's just like your desktop guys. But high-end configuration compared to your desktop, it's a high-end configuration and the price also very high. This is called tower server. And another model is rack server. So this is a rack server. This is a rack server. So this type of one server is available in our lab. You can connect, you can practice in future. Okay. Are you clear? So this type of server is available next to me. Okay. Next to me, there is a rack server is there. So this server you can connect from your home directly. So this is a on-prem. Most of the data centers are using this model. This is called rack server, and there are multiple companies are manufacturing this product. So Dell, HP, Toshiba, Lenovo, Cisco, many companies. So I'm using Dell R710 model I'm using. Dell R710 model I'm using it. So this is a model I'm currently using. So in this batch, everyone you will get access this machine. By Monday, you can practice on-premises experience. So you're not only learning Amazon Web Services, you will learn basics also. So basics, everything you will learn from this server. So Rajesh is asking now, so I need to migrate servers from on-prem to cloud. So this type of servers only they are using in a data center. Okay. So that's why I have purchased a brand new system and I'm giving access to you. Right. And next blade server also is there. Next blade server. So blade server is like this. This is a blade server. So this is a one piece we called as one server. This is another piece is one server. Like that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in this first rack, 10 servers. In second row, 10 servers. 20 servers are there in this particular box. Okay. So this is example. This is a very top branded product is a super micro company. So this type of blade servers they'll be manufacturing. HP also they have a blade servers. Dell also they have a blade servers models are there. So this is one blade is one server. So mostly this type of servers also they'll used in a such big companies like a Wipro, Cognizant, IBM, very big companies they'll use. So basically my experience, I don't want to uh, purchase this model because of it will be very too costly. So that's why I have taken rack server. So rack server cost is 3 lakhs rupees. If I'm going this 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs like that. Okay, it's more than my budget. So, but every system, a rack server or blade server, concept is same. Okay, concept is same. So, in this type of missions, in this type of missions, we are installing operating system. What type of operating system we are installing? Like Windows, Linux, Apple, different operating system we are installing. Then after that, based on your requirement, applications we are installing. This model we called as traditional computing model. This model we called as traditional computing model. Okay, so even my laptop, your laptop, my desktop, your desktop, everything is a traditional computing model. We don't have any problem as on today. So why we need to migrate to cloud? Why we need to migrate to cloud? That's a very important. Example. Example. Rajesh and Mr. Satya, both are best friends. They're planning to start a new business, okay, new business in Hyderabad, in India. Slowly, they want to expand the business all over the India. Okay, what is the business? So they're planning to do some kind of food delivery business, just like a Zomato, Swiggy. Okay, this type of business they want to start. Okay, so guys, this is a draw.io tool. Mostly the professionals they'll be using this type of tools for planning the architectural diagrams. Okay, this is a draw.io. So it's a free tool. You can download and install it on your system. You can prepare a beautiful diagrams and architecture flow charts for your projects. So from today to end of the course, I'm going to use this tool for preparing any kind of architectural diagrams. Mostly 75% I will use a draw.io tool and 25% I will use a Microsoft Paint. Okay, fine. Suppose, as I told Mr. Satya and Rajesh, both are friends. They are going to start a new business. They are going to start a new business. So what is a business?
Food
Food
business.
delivery business. So food delivery business means they need to hire they need to hire more delivery boys. Yes or no? More delivery boys. So more delivery boys they needed. Fine. So delivery boys are ready. And there are some restaurants. Okay. There are some restaurants like this. all over Hyderabad, multiple restaurants are there, like this. So these restaurants wants to sell the food, give the food to customers. Suppose customers, okay? These are the customers. How this delivery boy will deliver the food from this restaurant? How the people are connecting each other?
with the app.
With application. Yes. So with the application, okay, with the application. So this is some application is there. So it is a mobile application or maybe web application. Fine. So the customers are downloading this. Okay. Customers are downloading this application, and restaurant people also accessing these applications. Okay. And based on the customers, they'll be check the restaurants and ordering the food, and the delivery boys are go to the particular restaurant like this, and from here food will be delivered by what. So this all communication will be tracking in the application, but physically this is a channel. So this all information you want to track in this application. This application should be run from one of the server, no, right? Definitely one of the server. Suppose if this is traditional computing server, TCM model based computer, TCM based model computer, that means hardware operating system application, hardware operating system application. So tomorrow Christmas. So our Christian brothers and sisters, everybody go to tomorrow church and they'll be praying their prayers, right? So they're busy with the prayers because of the festival is only once in a year, and tomorrow is a Sunday, and today Saturday. Many of the family members and relatives, whoever some far away, they'll be gathering and they'll be going to church and they'll be praying. Maybe somebody will be praying in house only. They're busy with some prayers. Okay, and they are planning to preparing some food. Some people are refusing to preparing food. They're planning to order from outside. Example in Hyderabad. Okay, so the people are ordering the food. Okay, from this application, very huge quantity level, very huge quantity level. Daily, uh, probably we have a 10,000 requests. We are getting 10,000 orders, but due to occasion of Christmas, okay, nearly 40,000 requests are received by this mobile application. Guys, this application capacity is only 15,000 capacity. Because of regular capacity is a 10,000. Maybe if any incremental of the capacity up to 15%, 15,000, it can manage. But right now, the capacity is of 40,000. How many times extra? 2 times extra, right? So what will happen? This application will be acting very slow, like a IRCTC application. Why this application is slow? Why IRCTC website is slow? Because of 11 o'clock, due to Tatkal ticket booking. Huh? Only from Hyderabad? No, all over India. Huh? So, like that, the front end, the application is slow because of the back end Overutilization of the computer resources. Overutilization. Overutilization means what? Full utilization. So we have a 4 GB RAM means 4 GB RAM utilization. 2 CPUs means 2 CPUs they'll be using. So like that. So because of the server capacity overly utilized and there is no enough space is available on the memory resources and the processors and the disk IOs and the application, the processing will be very slow at the server side and sometimes server will be down, hung, okay, and application will be getting crash. And whoever the accessing the application, all the people, all the people will suffer. Like whoever order already food, how the delivery boy can deliver the application, deliver boy will deliver the food to the customer. Application is not working. How can I track the customer house? That's a big problem. Problem number one. Problem number two. Already restaurants is preparing a huge quantity of biryani. It's waste because of I'm not getting orders because of application is down. Second problem. And third problem, and whoever during the time crashing, thousands of people are ordering the food, the payment gateways, amount was disconnected. Okay, the bank is giving the money to the merchant, but order is not confirmed. Lot of complaints. So is it good way you can run your business, Rajesh and Satya? Will you sustain your business if you're doing like this in a market?
No.
No, definitely one fine day your brand will be go down. So what is the alternate solution you can do it? And where is the problem? First of all, you can tell me. If frequently you're getting fever, frequently you're getting body pain, so doctor will give you first basic medicines and they'll be identifying the problem. They'll try to solve it. If the frequently it's coming, doctor will be prescribed a go for medical lab tests. Then they'll find out some culture report or maybe clinical reports, then finalizing that, hey, you have a low minerals and low vitamins in your body, so because of that you are getting, you have a low immunity. I will prescribe some kind of additional medicines apart from that your painkillers, so you can use this medicine, you can follow these diets, and going forward you will not face this kind of issues. Definitely they will guide you, right? Right. Example, I'm IT manager in your company. I'm your IT manager. So you're complaining to me, you're asking me, so what, Rajesh, you are a IT manager and this application is getting crashing frequently. Okay, I'm getting lot of complaints from the restaurants. I'm getting lot of complaints from delivery boys and customers. Okay, and I lose my business. So I identified, I'm telling to Rajesh and Satya. So the problem is whatever the server we are using, the server is not capable to handle more amount of sessions. So what is the alternate solution? We can increase the number of server. That's only one solution. That's only one solution. So we can increase the n number of servers. నేను కాల్లో ఉన్నా మళ్ళీ ఫోన్ చేస్తాను. Right? So if increasing the servers, the number of sessions can be balanced between the server and we can run our business. How can I identify how many users are coming? Probably, guys, let's understand. Okay. So Christmas people, Christmas time, most few people are celebrating. Okay, few people are celebrating. Right. Now coming to in next 1 week, New Year festival. It's only for one religion. No, right? Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, everybody they'll be celebrating New Year festival. So can you expect at least 80,000 to 1 lakh request will be coming to the application? Can you expect? So that means, can we install 10 servers? Can you install 10 servers? Okay, I suggested to Rajesh and Satya, sir, coming week New Year is coming. So because of that, we can install 10 servers now. So at least we can handle 1 lakh customers. So that is my prediction. So right now, this is only Christmas. Only few people are accepting. Next week, all people are accepting this our application and they'll be ordering the food. The people are very, very busy with the celebrating, welcoming the new year. Yes or no? So Rajesh and Satya is giving a fund to me, and I went to the shop and I purchased a brand new 8 systems, and I have added 8 systems into the pool. Right now, 10 systems are there. So December 31st and January 1st, I got a lot of requests, and business went well. Okay, business went well. So there is no complaints. There is no complaints. Approximately 80,000 to 1 lakh users are coming. Next day, January 2nd, you'll get that much of requests? No. No. January 2nd, January 3rd, January 4th, January 10th, January 12th, again Bogi Sankranti. No one will order the food from outside because these people are preparing the food at home and they'll be eating. They're not ordering the food outside. So I'm a business owner, Rajesh and Satya, they'll be checking that very, very few people are ordering the food during the occasion of Bogi and Sankranti. So whatever amount I spent for purchasing 8 additional servers, each server cost is 2 lakhs rupees. 8 systems cost around 16 lakhs rupees. And operating system cost, license cost, installation cost, transport cost, tax, it nearly touches to 20 lakhs rupees. So now whatever the benefit I get in the December 31st and 1st, only the profit. After that I didn't get any profit. So again, Rajesh and Satya asking me, brother, you are suggesting me to include additional 8 servers. I have spent 20 lakhs rupees. December 31st and 1st, we got a huge business and okay. But from 2nd to until end of the Jan, I don't get any business. Okay, I thought that whatever amount I'm spending, I'll get a more benefit. So I'm telling to Rajesh and Satya, sir, I can handle only the load, but I cannot give the guarantee to people to order the food always. Yes or no? So until next celebrations, maybe next year, we can use the server. Until that, the server should be shut down. Guys, only another scenario, hardly due to lockdown, you're going to office 1 or 2 times in a month. Hardly entire year you'll be visiting your office 10 to 15 times. For that requirement, you need a car? Tell me. Not required, right? Probably you can hire a Ola or Uber, you can utilize it, right? So why should I buy your car unnecessarily 15 lakhs rupees and paying EMIs and unnecessary maintenance? You're not going outside. The same situation here for Rajesh and Satya. Only once in a year, for a couple of times, you'll get a more business. For that, you are additionally buying the servers and keep it in your data center in a power off state or power on state. Unnecessarily, you're wasting of your money. Okay, Ola Uber is available for rental services. Who will give the rental based hardware? Who will give? Who will give rental based hardware services? Computers. We can use it, right? So, the particular company name called, the technology called cloud computing is. Understand? Everybody understand, right? So, the cloud computing means there's a big data centers in a particular country location. Example in India, Mumbai location. In Mumbai location, there are 3 data centers are there, big data centers. Okay, Bahrain, Singapore, North Virginia. So different locations. So I'm from India. I'm from India. I can create a servers in Mumbai location. During the occasion of New Year, I can create a 10 servers or 20 servers or 30 servers based on my requirement. I can create and I can application should be running on the server, I can do my business. After that, I'll wait for until January 2nd. I don't get any business. I will terminate the servers. How much amount I need to pay for data center cost? Only for 2 days or 3 days. How many hours I used it? Only that much amount I need to pay for to the company. That's it. It's a beautiful concept or not? Everybody accepting? Whenever again next celebration is coming, again I'll be creating. Okay, let's understand in previous situation. Okay, New Year festival, I have purchased additional servers, right? Unfortunately, we got a 1.5 lakh request. So during the time servers is busy, the 10 servers capacity is only 1 lakh connections, 1 lakh sessions. But unfortunately, we never expected 1.5 lakh sessions are connected. These 10 servers are not able to managing it. Will immediately you can add 5 servers to the load? Is this possible? Is this possible? Initially, immediately, I can buy a 5 servers and I can add. Not possible. I need to order the mission. The vendor should be take the order and send to the company, and company will send that mission to the vendor location, warehouse. From warehouse to they'll be shipping to my office, and I need to unbox it, and I need to assemble the system and install the operating system. In case any hardware problem, again I want to send back and I want to call the technician. Maybe if operating system installed successfully, I need to scan the system and install the application. I need to test, again do the security scan, then add the server to the load balancer. Guys, this will take 1 week. During that time, your festival time also will be gone. So what is your expectation? Instantly you want. Instantly you want. Like a coffee vending machine. You'll go to that, you'll push that button and you have to put your glass. You need a cappuccino, you'll take a cappuccino coffee. You need a black coffee, you'll take a black coffee, like that. You need instant level coffee is required. You need an instant level server is required. Who will give? In traditional computing model, it never success for instant level server computing services to the clients. So there's only one-stop solution, cloud computing. So cloud computing is the advanced level server will be providing. A matter of 3 minutes, the server will be providing to you. Even one server or 10 servers or 100 servers. And there is a beautiful feature is there, auto scaling feature. Auto scaling feature automatically increase the number of servers and decreasing the number of servers based on your load. One of the beautiful feature. So guys, this type of feature outside, if you want to buy that license cost is very too much, especially cloud computing. Cloud computing, these services are free of cost. Free of cost. So that's why many people are interested to showing to migrating our cloud services. Best example is Rajesh. His company is a banking sector, right, Rajesh? You're working in a banking, right?
Yes, sir. One of the leading banks.
One of the leading banks. So they are going to cloud. Let's think about it. We are a normal persons. Okay. So we don't bother about it. Nowadays, previously 5-6 years back, banking companies are not using the cloud services. Nowadays, cloud computing is providing the full tight security. So because of that, many companies are already migrating to cloud services. Even best example, in Dubai location, Abu Dhabi location, in Saudi location, especially in UAE, okay, there is no data center for cloud. But still, these persons, okay, they're taking a physical servers to transferring, shipping to wherever the data center is available. Okay, from that location to Abu Dhabi, Saudi, Dubai, Qatar. In this location, some big companies are there, like a petroleum, diesel, refinery units, hospital industries, banking sectors. Huh? So different people are there. Everybody, they'll be taking the server and copying the data, then shipping the server to particular location to the data center. I'll show you the server how look like. This is a server, guys. This server will be normally in the data center. This particular server will be directly shipping to client location. They'll be inserting the LAN cable and power cable and transferring all the data to the server, and again remove the power cable and LAN cable. This will be shipping via road transport. Road transport. And even they'll be going with the cargo flights, or maybe by sea vehicles like a steamers and all. I think how it came, sir, Rajesh. Mostly it will be through flight only, I think, for you. Any idea?
Yeah, air cargo. Air cargo.
Air only, right? Through air?
Yeah, yeah,
Through
yeah,
air
yes.
only. Because of I know that, because of even my client also, they taken through air only. So through air they'll be transferring this machine. Cargo flights will be there, so they'll be shipping this. So AWS technician will come to your place and they'll be assembling this complete networking power, and they'll give you dashboard console how to migrate. So the technician people take the KT, they'll do it. Once it's complete, it'll take a 10 days or 15 days or 1 month or 2 months. It'll take some time. This many days they'll be charging for the server rental. Once the server will be moving to the data center, from that normal charges will be applicable. So they'll be taking completely removing the server, they'll be keep it in the rack. That's it. But downtime is there. Downtime will be there. So with the downtime, they will take care of it. So once the server is moved to the destination, whatever the local server know, I can shut down it. Beautiful concept, right? Huh? So this type of servers and services are available nowadays. Any other questions? No questions, everyone, right? So, guys, what is meaning of cloud computing? So, cloud computing means accessing the infrastructure service, platform service, application service through internet, anywhere, from any device. Any device means with internet capable device like a laptop, phones, tabs, desktop, servers, etc. So based on your usage only can pay for it. Based on your usage, you can pay for it. That is called cloud computing. But you never bother about the physical server, what is a model, if server is broken, if server is not working, nothing. Everything they'll take care of it. The vendorship will be take care of it. And another disadvantage is in the traditional computing. If you over the period of, if you are using the server 3 to 5 years, 3 to 6 years, the server performance will be down. Again, throwing outside and you are buying a new servers. But here, you don't bother about it. That will take care by AWS team. They keep on changing the new servers. They keep on changing the new servers. So basically, cloud computing is a three models: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and the software as a service. So infrastructure as a service means complete hardware they will be providing as a service, like a compute. Compute means systems. In that systems, we have a RAM, processor, and internal storage, and external storage, network, everything they'll provide. This is called infrastructure as a service. Okay. The very popular companies are Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, DigitalOcean, Alibaba Cloud, Oracle Cloud, etc. etc. What is a platform? So to run your applications, you need a platform. So like object storage, identity, runtime, database, queue management services. These services will be provided through platform as a service. So like a popular services like a AWS Elastic Beanstalk, Force.com, OpenShift, Google App Engine, etc. etc. And third one is a software as a service. Example, today we are connected with the Cisco WebEx application. Cisco WebEx is not developed by me, Cisco company. I just paid monthly cost is 1400 rupees to usage of this application. So are you comfortable to use this application, guys? Yeah, comfortable, right? So I'm
Yeah.
presenting my screen, you're talking to me without any disturbance, and the session is recording. After end of the session, I'll share the video with you. And if anything wants to like kind of drawing some kind of thing, this feature facility is available. And if anybody is example, okay, if anybody is unknown person is joined, I can remove the person in this group. Yeah, everything is controlled with me. Yeah. So this type of applications we call as software as a service. Like example, Zoom application, Cisco WebEx, GoToMeeting, Google applications, etc., etc. Software service. So coming to cloud computing, infrastructure, platform, and software, different vendors are there. Maybe a vendor can support infrastructure service, platform as a service. Maybe the company is only supporting for software as a service. That depends on the company to company, company to company. So which one you need to practice? Which one you need to learn? You need to learn infrastructure, you need to learn platform, you need to learn software as a service. So software as a service means depends on your requirement, you're developing the software and you're using it. So main requirement is infrastructure and platform. These two things you need to provide. So the market leaders are Amazon Web Services, Azure, Google Cloud. These are the three market leaders. Okay. Next. So these cloud models we can deploy, that means configuring in four models. So like is a private cloud. So private cloud means a single company, they want to set up the own data center with the cloud services. They're not sharing to anyone. This is called private cloud. So very few people are they creating. Very confidential, like a military, governments, like etc. Maybe if any banking sectors also. So the data center either you can set up in your own building, either you can outsource building also can take it. That depends upon you. So we can use a softwares like Eucalyptus, VMware Cloud, they can use it to build this environment. So next, public cloud is a very most popular. Even outside the demanding for your job also, it's related to public cloud. That means it's open for everyone. Anybody can go and create and they can use the services. Based on the hourly, minute basis, microsecond billing, the charges will be applicable. You can pay monthly rental based. And there are many services are there. The popular services like Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, IBM, etc. etc. Coming to the community cloud, I told you, Rajesh and Satya both are both are friends and they started a new business. So maybe it's a both are different business also they'll be started. They want to set up the data center. They can fund each other. Example, the data center cost is 10 crores. Satya will be sponsoring 5 crores and Rajesh will be sponsoring 5 crores. They're setting up the data center. They're equally distributing the resources. Example, Satya they will be using for storing of images and mail server. Maybe Rajesh will be using for file share services and messaging services. They will use. A different purpose. They can use a shared data set. This is called community model. Less security, very few people are using. Not for everyone, not recommended for everyone, very few people. Hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud means um, public cloud and private cloud, if you both are integrating each other and you're delivering a services to the customers, we call it as hybrid based cloud. Like Office 365, Google Suite, Google Drive, OneDrive. So this type of integrations will be doing now. So this is called a hybrid based cloud. Going forward, I will teach hybrid cloud also in this training. Mostly you will get hybrid cloud outside. I will teach hybrid cloud with the VMware, Citrix. Okay, these type of tools I will use it and I'll make it a hybrid cloud and I will deliver to you. Any other questions? So advantages. Advantage is backup and restore. Normally any services we need a backup, right? So inbuilt backup solutions in available in a cloud services. We can easily backup and restore it whenever required. We can do scheduled backups and scheduled restores also possible. Collaboration. We can do your on-prem to cloud and cloud to on-prem. You can integration each other and we can deliver the services. Collaborations are very, very good concept. Accessibility, wherever you go in worldwide with internet facility, you can access your services. Okay. And low maintenance. So because of you're not maintaining the hardware, right? Everything they'll maintain it. So your maintenance cost is very low. Mobility. Because of it is a cloud services, we can access all the data services from the mobile devices. Yes, right? Nowadays all the services are possible to access from the mobile devices. Next, a pay per use. Whatever you are using the services, only that much you pay. So pay per use means it's a microsecond billing. Microsecond billing. Example, 10, 15 years ago, let's take 18 years ago, when we are using mobile, Hutch, Airtel, so they'll giving some kind of a 1 minute billing. 1 minute billing means even if it 10 seconds also, if I am calling to someone, 1 minute will be waste. Nowadays, second level billing, microsecond level billing. So that means we are not wasting of our money. So like that, even here, pay per use concept. So microsecond level calculations will be whatever utilization of the applications and services, that level billing will be charged. Monthly once you can pay. Unlimited storage nowadays keep on generating the application data. Let's take example Zomato, Swiggy, daily customer base are increasing. How can you maintain the storage? Huh? Daily restaurants are coming up and they'll be uploading the images and videos, etc. etc. So unnecessarily increasing the storage capacity. So cloud will be providing unlimited storage. That means billions GB of storage we can available. Billion GB of storage. Okay, you can use it. Data security. Nowadays, cloud is providing multiple level of services to protect the data. So with that, you can implement more security for your application. My background, I told from networking side. So mostly outside the training part, networking part, you're not understanding very clearly because of maybe the trainer doesn't have experience in the networking side. Few of the trainers are well experienced from the networking side. They will be teaching really well, really good also. So I'm also one of the trainer, like already experienced in CCNA background. So in the network level is my core interesting concept is networking. No? So you will be benefited to learn advanced level data security concept in AWS. Okay. Then let's move to introduction to AWS. So why introduction to AWS we need to go for it? So guys, we discussed like infrastructure as a service, platform as a service. Do you know who is a market leader in the year of 2022, in the year of 2021, 2020, 2019? Guys, last 11 years,
AWS.
last 11 years, yes, AWS is a number one place and second place is a Google Cloud. Last year, market strategy, 33% of the customers are AWS users. Now, 34%. Guys, worldwide, 1% incremental is, thousands of users are coming to this AWS. Understand? So, even Azure was, I think, 1% down this year. Amazon Web Services 1% extra. Last 5-10 years back, last 7 to 8 years, one time or two times, Amazon was standing in the world Fortune 100 list, first place. You can check the Forbes magazine and you can check that. top 100 Fortune companies list. One time or two times, Amazon is standing in the number one place. You can think about it. In Hyderabad, they will be establishing two data centers outskirts of Hyderabad. Right now, testing is going. Maybe in 2023, we are expecting the data center will be launched. Definitely, we'll get a lot of job opportunities, right? Yeah, thousands of job opportunities we will get in a data center. So that is a future vision. So maybe next year, if the Amazon data center is open in Hyderabad, there will be very huge level of job opportunities available. Okay. Not only you, I'm also waiting. Okay, I'm also waiting because of I want to switch my career into directly in Amazon. Okay. So this is the best example for you guys. Who is a market leader? Amazon Web Services. Amazon is started in the year of 2002, but officially launching the product in the year of 2006 with one product, that is a S3 storage. Nowadays in 2022, we have a 200 plus services are there. Okay, and number one service provider in the market. And this course, Amazon Web Services program will be conducting for 6 weeks of time to complete this course. But 6 weeks is a very short distance. I needed 2 more weeks, guys. Okay, I needed 2 more weeks. That's approximately 50 days of time is required. Okay, 50 days time is required to complete this course. Because of I want to teach some basics, some advanced concepts, troubleshootings, workshops, everything we need to conduct. So for that reason, 50 days to 60 days. That means 2 months. It is a reasonable. Anybody have any problem? Okay. So within a month, it is not possible to complete the course. So maximum it will be 2 months of time. So here we will teach basic knowledge of Windows, Linux, networking, everything we will teach. You don't worry about going to other institutions and you're learning not required. We will teach free of cost. So workshops and interview tips, everything we will give you. We don't worry about that. Each and every topics we will be creating the Excel sheet and the documents will be sharing with you. Okay, and you can take it and you can study for yourself. Any other question? So probably uh, next month, first week, you will get one mobile application. Okay, so whatever the classes, everything is available. You can track from your mobile. So we can download the class videos. You can download your class notes. Okay, study notes, interview questions. You can, if you have any competition exams like conducting some small tests. So everything in the mobile application is there. Right now it is in maintenance. So probably it will take a 1 week or 10 days. You'll get it that application. Okay. So that benefit also you'll get it. So this is a AWS certification, guys. So foundational, associate, and professional level. We are teaching AWS Solution Architect Associate. This program is associate level. So professional level is not required for you. If you already tried, you can go for professional level certification. So right now you're new to AWS, right? Associate level program is needed. In this course, foundational everything concept we will cover. Okay, so foundational, associate both will cover. But you want to become as a senior level professional, right? Going forward. So that's why professional level some courses will be teaching here. And another benefit is in AWS DevOps, few concepts are there. We will teaching you free of cost because of it's a very important concept. That's why I'm requesting 2 weeks extra. Okay, total 8 weeks. Total 8 weeks time. Any questions in AWS certifications?
Oh, sorry, last 5 minutes, your voice is not audible. I rejoined. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, I have one doubt. This training, it will cover what type of certificates? Only cloud apps or architect also it will cover?
AWS Solution Architect Associate. You can write this exam and this exam.
Okay. What about this one, cloud apps?
Uh, Let me tell you, this is a sysops administration is
Yeah,
basically
this is
whoever going towards DevOps level. So they people they will learn this. So what I prepared now. So the course content, the main concept of what are the services they have mentioned in the solution architect associate. All the topic I included here. Apart from that, DevOps tools included, SysOps tools also additionally are included. Because of these, both courses are similar, but only few topics are differently is available. So the particular topic I included in this topics only. So you don't want to learn SysOps, you don't want to learn DevOps. If you learn this concept, you can easily you can attend the interview for AWS DevOps and AWS SysOps positions also. So that's why our course content is very big. Lingadhar, um, you can please share the course content to each and everyone. So he will share in some time. Okay, we'll
okay.
get it
Okay, sir.
advanced. The latest course content. If you want, I can show you in my system. Only the course content is there. You can see this. This is a course content. Okay. Now, uh, code commit. Suppose. See here. AWS Code Deploy is not is part of the AWS Solution Architect Associate. So Code Commit, Code Deploy, X-Ray, these all are actually DevOps tools. Okay, I'm teaching free of cost. Okay, but the
Okay, sir.
third party DevOps is different. Okay, third party DevOps is completely different. Git, Ansible, um, Docker, Kubernetes. Hmm? So these all are different. Okay, Jenkins, these tools are different. So if you want to learn this tool, first you have to complete this course, then you can join. So parallelly, whoever interested DevOps, after 3 weeks means exactly after Sankranti festival, okay, we will start. We will start DevOps parallel. Whoever interested. But condition is during that time you guys need to complete an EC2, you need to complete an S3, you need to complete an IAM service, you need to complete a Linux basics, you need to complete a Windows basics, everything you need to complete. If you're not completed, you are not eligible to attend my class. అర్థమైందండి? Everybody is clear? So after 3 weeks, you will be splitting into two batches. One is AWS DevOps and only AWS people. That's your interest. Okay, which one you want to take it? Now, from Monday onwards, you'll be commonly going. No changes at all. No changes at all. So tomorrow also is a class is available. Okay. So same time, 10 to 11. So tomorrow the class is agenda is what is AWS, how to open your account, and what are the challenges while you open the account, and we will talk about one service. Okay. So please join. Don't miss it. And from Monday 8:30 batch will start. From Monday 8:30 batch will start. So everybody, you please continue with us.
Sir, one more
Yes,
question.
please.
Once completed this training, what kind of job roles we can apply?
Very good
Only
question.
architect or?
Very good question. First of all, architect role is a very big job, brother. Okay, so architect role minimum 5 plus 7 plus years of experience people go for architect. So right now you'll apply AWS administrator, AWS DevOps administrator roles you can apply. Okay, there's a most privileged jobs available in the internet. Okay, most privileged jobs. So do you want to open and show you the job opportunities?
Yes, sir, that is better for us.
One minute. So who can learn this course? Anybody can learn this course, guys. There is no differentiation for BCom, BSc, BA, BTech. Huh? Any people can learn this course. No worries. We will be teaching from the scratch. Everybody treated as a freshers. Okay. Some people have some doubts. Do you need any programming languages required to learn this course? Not required. If you become as a DevOps engineer, yes, you need some basic knowledge on some coding. That's a Linux coding that I will teach. That I will teach. So why choose us? So we will be certification assistants. Like the complete course we will be teaching in the certification level only. So I'll show you guys. This is a study docs. So daily we will be teaching these topics. We will sharing with you. Okay. So these topics are very, very important. These PDF copies we will sharing with you. So once you prepare, you can go for your exam. And between that, we will give you some other materials also. Next, anywhere lab. We have a lab facilities is available. With the lab, you can connect anywhere and you can practice. I'll show you the lab, guys. Right now, the machine is turned off. Let me show you the screen. So guys, the video cam is open. You're seeing this, there is a server. There is a server, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
this is
sir.
a rack server. So I have explained now Dell R710. This is a server. Okay. This is a complete server. So if you are waiting for 5 minutes, I will turn on this server. Let me turn on this server. 1 minute. Just now I started the server. So this will take another 3 to 4 minutes or 3 to 5 minutes. So then I'll show you how to connect the machine and all. Okay. So next point, prerequisites will cover. So what are the basic knowledge like a Windows, Linux, networking, virtualization, these concepts we will cover. And live online training sessions. So then we will give the recording session to you. You can download. Crimping lab. So we'll give you some kind of workshop kind of concepts. So every week, what are the topics you completed, the related concepts you can practice on your AWS account. And study material download. Right now we are giving to download from WhatsApp. We are giving directly to WhatsApp, and going forward, mobile applications will be there. With the mobile application, you can download. Resume building will be doing for everyone. So you can please give your resume template and you can give your personal details. I will prepare a resume for you, individual separately. And real-time 15 plus years of experience trainer. In case if I'm unable to take the training due to some reason, It never happens. At least backup trainer also will be available. My friends, they're also in the AWS training field. Maybe if I'm 10 days, if I'm not available, if you want to do that, my friend will be taking care of. It never happens, okay? But in case I got some complaints from other institutions, the trainers are sometimes they're giving hand, they'll people are getting suffering, and even I have taken care of many institutions. I completed the training. Maybe in case of myself, if not able to complete it, my friend will come and they'll be teaching to you. Okay, he also more than 10 plus years of experience candidate and interview guidance. So, example, the particular topic, how you need to um, prepare and how you need to present yourself, that I'll give you a live demo session for you so that you can same way when you're going for an interview you can talk to the interviewer and you can give your presence. Definitely you will clear your interviews. Okay, so even my old students also with 3 to 4 years of experience, they got a 12 lakhs package, 12.5 lakhs, 8 lakhs packages and all because of the special training. The training is definitely is needed for everyone. I'll give it to you, not a worry. Okay, so this is about additional features in our training. Okay, so now let me check. Yeah, server is ready. So I told you, there is a hypervisor. The server IP address is 101. Now the server can be connected through this kind of tool, Zen Center. This is actually private cloud. Connect the server. Done. So here you can create a servers and you can practice. So the server is 64 GB RAM and 1.7 TB storage. That's a 2 TB storage, and two physical processors are available. Okay, so going forward, you'll get an access to practice from this machine on-prem. So cloud is different, on-prem is different. Okay, mostly outside the training institutions, they'll be teaching only AWS, but they will not teach on-prem environment. So I will teach on-prem also because of I have a Citrix classes also I'm teaching, right? So this is a Citrix lab. So Citrix lab I will be using for you. Any other questions? So thank you. So I did my session today. Um, so can please share your feedback about the training, if anything improvement in the training demo sessions or any course content. Definitely it is possible we can improve ourselves. Okay, and tomorrow also we will be continue the session at 10 to 11. So please join. Huh? Please join everybody. If anybody is your friends and relatives, anybody is looking for an basic knowledge and cloud computing, so please ask them to join. First 3 days there is no fees we'll be collecting from your side. It's a free of cost. And tomorrow it's a very very important day for AWS account creation, and we'll give you more information about Amazon. So anybody is if interested, you please refer and you can join the session. Okay, and we will share the link by today evening. Okay, thank you all. So I'll wait
Okay.
another 2 minutes. If anybody have a questions, you can talk to me. Otherwise, you can leave for the day.